Well, hey guys, I am first back after some months of hiatus. I had to work and everything else. This will be my first video of this new trip that I'm on. And as you can see, I'm just hanging out at the airport here. Uh, and also excited to see how my new rig works up with this microphone. And I think the sound quality should be a bit better. And I was also on checking my phone out for like my on my phone, and I got a haircut, and of course I let the barber decide to keep my beard or not, and she said I should, and yeah, after I'm looking at it, it's like way too long. She didn't shape it very much, so I'm obviously feeling weird first video back, so just let me get comfortable again. Anyway, I'm going to get some food here, and then yeah, I don't know where to go eat, but then I've just got like an hour left, and I will be heading to Portugal, where I will transfer, and then ultimately to Rome just for a couple of days. We'll see where I end up as the time goes on. That's the only flight I actually have now. I do need to book another one for next weekend to my friend in Bahrain. And then after that, I have no ideas and nowhere to go. Well, no plans yet, but ultimately probably Asia. So I was gonna chill there while it's winter in Pittsburgh. But anyway, yeah, let's get this food, and then we will go from there. And yeah, it's gonna be 6 hours, so I'm trying to get comfortable. And again, yeah, first video feels kind of funny. It's been like 4 months. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get some food here, and I'm at Boston Logan Airport. Yeah, I don't really know what to have here, but yeah, we'll get this going, and yeah, I'll check back with you later when I'm in Portugal. All right, cheers as always. Okay, so yeah, here we have my lovely little hotel, Airbnb deal, whatever it is, and I just checked in, and I am like pretty tired. It was about 13 or 14 hours, or whatever. But yeah, so gosh darn it, this is one of those. Dang, I forget how these. I swear that's how you do it. These things always open two ways. This way. Close. Oh, well, okay. That's how you do it. So anyway, yeah, in this chill neighborhood of Rome, and I suppose I'll be here for like 3 days, I guess. Just to this long journey here, and tired. Anyway, yeah, so it's my first trip in 4 months. It feels interesting to be outside the United States. It's crazy. But yeah, I don't know. As you can see, this is my chill little pad, and yeah, so Airbnb or something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna relax a bit because it's been a long 14-hour day. I probably get a nap in or sleep, whatever you call it. I think it's like 6 a.m. at home right now. So yeah, this is gonna be the start of the trip, but there's a lot of stuff I have to plan yet. I don't have any other plane tickets or bookings anywhere yet, and I have this place for 3 days, so I better get to booking later, which I have some plans on anyway. So I do believe I can take care of that. But yeah, again, I'm very tired. So I'm like dying right now, so I can't speak, can't do anything. I'm gonna go ahead and take some sleep, and then yeah, I guess I'll see what I end up doing later. about it. So we'll see what happens in a little bit after I get some sleep. So catch ya. Okay, so yeah, I've gotten some sleep in, and I'm still a bit tired because it's a 7-hour difference. So yeah, I've gotten a bit of rest now. I just was deciding on where to go next because I was trying to get stuff booked because it's already Wednesday, and let's see here. Yeah, I have to fly in 2 days or something. Anyway, so I just decided that I'm gonna go to Kuwait just because I'm going to Bahrain to visit a friend, and the flights were a bit crappy for going from Rome to Kuwait, so they either got in really late or they just was a long day. So I saw that I could go to Kuwait. I just checked it out, and I go to Kuwait, and it's a direct flight, and I'd get there and I'll spend a few days there, and then it's like, I think it's like under $100 to fly to Bahrain after Kuwait. So it would just be easy. I'm gonna spend a few days in Kuwait, see what it's all about there, go to Bahrain after, yeah, stay with my friend there for like however long, and that'd be pretty cool. And yeah, I was supposed to go to Asia on this trip, and it's turned into the Middle East a bit, which is fine because actually I really like the Middle East. And so I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I might see a couple more Middle Eastern countries like first, or turn this trip into a Middle East trip, or I'm just gonna keep going towards the Asia after Bahrain. Either way, I might do both, but that will then be Kuwait and Bahrain as of like next week, and then we'll see what happens from there. But yeah, I'm applying for this visa right now. Just it'll be easier than waiting at the airport for one. And then after that, I'm gonna go and probably see some stuff here in Rome, like I guess there's the Colosseum to see. The Vatican is like its own little city or something, so I will get to that probably first, and then go to the Colosseum or whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna finish this visa thing up, and then I'm gonna see if I can't find someone to tag along with me to one of these places, and then yeah, we'll go from there. And then yeah, so we'll see what Rome's all about downtown here in a little bit. And yeah, as you can see, my room has gotten a bit messy in just one day. So yeah, alright, well, peace out. I will see you in downtown Rome in a little. Alright, cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I finally got out, and I'm heading to the Colosseum now to go check some stuff out. And I hopped off one bus to get some food real quick at this cool little joint here on the street. And I think my bus comes in like 5 minutes, so I'm trying to get this food to go, and then I'll be at the Colosseum. So, and again, street food is always the European way to do it. Just fucking places to eat everywhere. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this bus. Thank God those are not the ones I'm waiting for. And then, yeah, Colosseum. So, cool. See you there. Well, of course, in Italy, nobody is ever in a hurry, so my sandwich was a bit delayed, so my bus came. I missed it by about 30 seconds, but so now I'm walking to another bus stop to catch, there's maybe more options, and then yeah, hopefully I'll get to the Colosseum at some point. But I was trying to eat this, I was just going to eat there, but she said there's more buses to take the other way. Also, I get very tired of listening to the ambulance. It always echoes, you know, in a big city, and I've just heard so many at my hotel, and it's been nuts. So anyway, I'm gonna hopefully get to eat because I'm starving, and then yeah, get to the Coliseum. So all right, let's get back to it. Ooh, balls. Yeah, that was a mess. But yeah, made it here. So, hey mate. Next thing is to figure out where the best picture is over here. Because we actually passed a few sweet places on the way, which I did want to stop to. And I still have tomorrow to figure out what I'm going to do because today was a very lazy day. I was super tired. And yeah. So just checking a few things out. And I'm going to walk around here and look for the best picture spot and I'll show it to you there. So. Okay, so I just found a nice Indian guy to take my photo. He, I guess, approached me because of the camera. And, yeah, I'm here this time. It's like such an awkward time because I think that it would look nice either in the sunlight or in a little bit when it's dark and the lights will be shining on this, but I think it's okay for now. Oh, I got this in the frame. And I don't know, but it's very cold out. I didn't expect it to be this cold here. Well, I looked, but I still didn't think 50s or 40s were that 50s were that cold. But they are, and I don't know if I should go chill somewhere and wait till it's dark to get a better picture. But I think I'm just gonna call it quits, and then head back for a bit and chill. And then tomorrow I'll have a full day, and I think I'll be a little more well rested, and I'll check more stuff out. So. Yeah, I guess I'll check you back in a little and see what happens. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, it's been an alright day. We're making progress. And yeah, so yeah, it'll be better probably later tomorrow. So, alright, I'll see you then. So, welcome to another beautiful day in Rome. As you can see, the sun is out this morning. Warming up pretty nicely. It's been a bit chill, as is my last segment. And yeah, for my couple days here, I didn't get to do much yesterday. Yeah, it was very cold. I think I got a bit ill in the time zone difference. I wasn't feeling it. So I relaxed and I just worked on a few things. And yeah, so today's my day that I'm leaving here, which is going to be interesting. So I'll be heading to Kuwait, which, yeah, so I booked Kuwait. I got the e-visa to save some time at the airport. I want to also, yeah, so I'm leaving there on a few days to go to Bahrain to visit my friends. So a couple Middle Eastern countries. Wasn't really in my plans. Just happened to be this way. And I don't think I'm going to have time to get the e-visa for Bahrain. I wish I did it the other day when I did the Kuwait one. Because sometimes maybe a visa on arrival can take some time at the airport. Sit in line and something like that, so it's not fun if it's a long line. But yeah, so then I just finished booking a bunch of things this morning just so I could continue my trip because some of these countries and places you go, a lot of times, well, some of the times when you go there, if you're trying to get into the country, they won't let you in if you don't have a flight out of that country, so they know you're leaving. Kind of sucks for travelers like myself because I never know exactly where I'm going to go, what I want to do, so I don't always book ahead of time like that. So this morning I made sure I did because I saw Bahrain, they wanted you to have it, and I'm sure maybe Kuwait as well. So basically I just went booking crazy like sometimes happens, and I booked myself to basically Kuwait today for a few days, then to visit my friend in Bahrain. Loud moped. Visit my friend in Bahrain for a few days that week basically. And then I wanted to get to Asia, which was my whole intention on this trip, just go to Asia, straight to Asia. And then this is what happened. I'm in Rome and then I'm going to the Middle East before Asia. So anyway, that's how that works. And let's see here. So yeah, anyway, so Asia. Then I didn't want to fly for all these flights. I've been adding up time flying, and it sucks. You don't want to fly for very long all the time. So basically, I found some of the shorter ways to do it, and I broke it in half. You go halfway, stay. It costs a little bit more sometimes because of the transit from the airport, hotels. But then you don't have to fly for 10, 12, 15 hours. Just kill yourself and be tired for a whole day. But
So anyway, yeah, then I don't know, I was looking at the map, I saw Sri Lanka halfway. India, I know you need a visa. But yeah, Sri Lanka, I've always wanted to go there since I was in India especially. So yeah, I booked myself passage to Sri Lanka after Bahrain, and then yeah. So after that, I don't have anything yet, but it looks like the way I was looking, I think I'm going to take a flight to Kuala Lumpur, which is in Malaysia after, and check Malaysia out, which I've been wanting to for some time now. After Malaysia, yeah, it's up in the air from there. There's Vietnam, there's Cambodia, there's a few places I want to see before eventually flying east, I guess. So maybe Japan last. I get as close as I can to the U.S. I don't have to fly as long, but yeah, we'll see what happens after Sri Lanka. I'm guessing it's going to be probably going to yes, Malaysia, and then I don't know. See how I'm feeling after that, because that's going to be. I mean, only going to be a couple weeks, but like 4 or 5 countries in, so it's going to be pretty gnarly. But alright, I'll give you an update here in a bit when I get to the airport. I got like an hour to get ready, so I'm going to do that. And then, yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit and see how this travel day goes. So, wish me luck. I'll see you later.